2017 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, power windows, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.